Welcome to AS Engineers, India's leading manufacturer of customized centrifugal blowers. As an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, we are dedicated to delivering high-quality, reliable, and efficient blower solutions that meet your specific needs. At AS Engineers, we specialize in designing and manufacturing a wide range of blowers tailored to your industry. Whether it's forced draft, induced draft, high temperature, or high pressure blowers, our products are crafted with precision to handle even the toughest applications. Our blowers come in various configurations, including different impeller designs, drive options, and orientations, ensuring that each unit is perfectly suited to your operational requirements. From clockwise to counterclockwise rotations, direct drive to belt-driven systems, we have a solution that fits. As an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, we uphold the highest standards of quality. Every blower undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it performs flawlessly. Our commitment to quality guarantees reliability and peace of mind for every installation. Our customized blowers are trusted across a variety of industries, including power, cement, steel, chemical, food processing, and more. Designed to enhance efficiency and reduce operational costs, our blowers are built to keep your business running smoothly. Our experienced team of engineers is here to support you every step of the way, from initial consultation to installation and maintenance. We work closely with you to understand your needs and provide solutions that drive results. Looking for a reliable blower for your next project? Choose AS Engineers, your trusted partner in customized blower solutions. Connect with us today to discover how we can help power your operations with precision and quality.